Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to be doing a quick review of the Ryobi air cannon. This is an 18-inch fan. I've had it for about 6 months, and I just want to give you guys my general overall impression of this fan. So one thing that I actually really like about this fan is the fact that you have these little knobs on the side, and what this does is you can set it in a certain direction, and you can fix it, right? So you can turn this and tighten it down so that it's constantly blowing in a certain way. We tend to use this fan inside of our bedroom because for whatever reason, the side of our house, the sun hits the side of our house right in this location where for whatever reason, it heats this room up in particular. So if we're ever in here, and my wife likes to work out in our bedroom, so she uses this fan to cool herself off. Obviously, this is a powerful enough fan to use in any other place like a garage or anything like that, or somewhere where you need to cool yourself off, maybe a back patio during the summertime or anything like that. One thing about this fan is that you actually it does come with the ability for an hybrid, lithium hybrid 18-volt battery. When you purchase this, you won't get the battery with it, so you'll have to buy it if you don't have access to an outlet like we have here. But that is a really cool feature that if you don't have a long enough cord or anything like that and you want to use it in a particular space, you can just get and power up, charge up some of the batteries and use it pretty much anywhere. It does come with 3 specific modes on here, so 3 specific fan speeds. And also, if you can see on the actual blades, there's almost like a golf ball effect on here. And I think that really, I don't know if it makes it blow more or if it just quiets it down, but the air that comes out of here, it feels more powerful than what it should be. And it's definitely quieter. Like I'll turn it on so you guys can get an example. Hopefully you guys can hear that, but it's actually a little bit quieter than most fans that I've heard. So that's one thing. Sometimes we even run this at night to kind of circulate the air in the bedroom. So yeah, and it's got feet on the bottom here, rubber feet. So we've got a vinyl floor here, and a lot of times it can be kind of slippery, but the feet really help it keep it from vibrating or anything like that, or from moving around. We've got 3 kids and they're always running around here, and they've bumped into this a couple times, and a lot of times it barely moves. So yeah, that's the air cannon from Ryobi. It's probably one of the best fans that we've ever bought, and we run this thing constantly. I've never had an issue with it. So hopefully you guys got value out of this review, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.